So this is a projector hanging from Bascom Lodge, and you might be wondering how I get this down. All right, so one quick wrap, and down she comes. Just gotta make sure not to dump off the end of the rope. I keep a little knot at the end just so I don't end up sending it smashing to the ground. Although now I need both hands. Yeah. And we got a plus 100 on the wall along with a set of HDMI jacks, and blink, got that all removed, got that taken out of there, no problem. Then we move on over to the next room. We've got a small controller on the wall there with some internal built-in wiring, and then blink, got that all out of there along with the channel piece. And that's pretty much it there. The main room took this great big cabinet which has all the AV equipment in it and stripped that out along with the 226 that's underneath it, and got everything cleared out as much as I possibly could there, cut the wires flush with the wall, or at least close enough, and then stuffed everything into the van. So we have a whole bunch of gear here that would have normally gotten trashed.